press the red button.
Okay, so many people don't know this, but us Cherokees are known for having a soft ring dance.
Cherokees are Indians.
They are Indians.
Indians.
But
This is take 2.
we're going to attempt this now that we have the proper clothing and lighting outside.
Yeah, you see, the problem was in the earlier one I wore that hoodie. As you can see, it's on my child sister. And now what I've done is I've gotten the appropriate Keller hoodie for this. So let's see how we go. Let's see what we got. All right. Got one with the spirit. It is myself. Make sure no one is watching. And go. There's the caller right over there. And it's all right. Wait, what is this one? This one. Is that one coming? Yeah, that one's coming down here, but you know what? We're just going to keep grooving. We're going to keep grooving. Because fuck this car. If it's parking, I have to stop. If it's not parking, they're just looking and waving. How's it going? Oh shit. I interrupted the rain dance. Get shit out of the seat. Get shit out of the seat. And another car. Another car. Another car. Another car. I'm out. I'm out. I got to fuck the Cherokee. Oh, my bandage is wet.
Clearly, we were not one with the spirits for this dance.
Am I dead?
No. But we tried, so
You're welcome.
you should try this when it's storming in your area and see if you have better luck.